Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a Madam Glam haul. You guys know I have a discount code with them. It is Vanessa 30, and you know, half the time they run better sales than my discount code, but they were kind enough to send this to me, and I probably should have opened it first. Anyway. Ooh, this is so giving me fall vibes. All right, let's take a look here. First up, we have Heartbreaker. Let's see what this bad boy is. Kind of looks like a glass gel. This is actually quite a thick formula. Interesting. I don't have any glass gels, so I'm kind of excited. I should say I don't have any glass gels from Madam Glam. I did get some from another company. This is really pretty. Now, I've never used glass gels before, and I don't know if you're supposed to do like 2 coats. Like I did a swatch stick previously, obviously on the other brand. But I don't know, do you like give it a second to like even out? Do you come in with 2 coats? If y'all have used glass gels before, can you let me know how you use them? Because I don't know if this is right. Like, do I give it a second? Like, I feel like that's what I need to do. Just do 1 layer, give it a second to kind of even out. So you can see there were a bunch of lines there, but obviously leaving it for a second, it will even out. All right, coming in with that second coat. Normally I just fast forward and do it myself, but this is very, very interesting. Because you can see all those lines, but like if you give it a second, it just disappears. Yeah, okay, 2 coats, 2 very thin coats, and then give it a second before you cure. Next up we have Boy Bye, and this one also might be a glass gel. Just by looking at the top, we'll see. It is! Y'all, these are really pretty. I love this green. This is a nice emerald green. My camera is probably making it just a smidge lighter because I obviously have that studio light look. Now this one I find is not as stiff. I'm not quite sure if that's the right way to put it. Maybe not as thick, because this one is gliding on a little bit easier and self-leveling a little bit easier. Because this one is good in 1 coat, so you can see it as a glass gel. Yeah, this one's a 1 coater. Next up we have Midnight Forest. Oh yes, that looks so pretty. Now this is not a glass one, but I feel like if you were to like scrub it on, you probably could get away like full on, just like scrubbing. Like I think I've said that in a couple of my other videos of Madam Glam, like if they're not super pigmented, like you can like scrape it on. At least I don't think this one is a glass gel. It might be. So that's pretty opaque, and if you put it on your nail, I feel like you're not gonna see through it, but I left that kind of top area, that color. So this is OPI color in Russian Navy, and this is my go-to navy color, and I also use their Lincoln Park After Dark. Like these are my go-to for those, and like that applies like the same type of color, but when you put that second coat on, let me just go ahead and do that here. You know, so you can see that they are lighter, but obviously I'm not applying a second coat. I'm just kind of making it a little bit thicker. It goes on like that solid color. This one, which is the Madame Glam, is more green than this one, which is the Russian Navy from OPI, but it is a shimmer and this is a cream. All right, back to the regular scheduled program. Single and fabulous. I'm fabulous, but I am not single. This is, yes. So ready for fall. I used the light, oh my God, this is like the perfect deeper pumpkin orange. Like, look at this. And this is a very pigmented color too. So like I said, you can go like either way with Madame Glam. Like sometimes it's 2 coats in your pigmented, sometimes it is 1 coat. A lot of the colors I have are 1 coat, but like if you're like scraping it on, you can do 2 coats. So that's why I was a little confused if that other one was a glass gel or not. But I think it's just a 2-coater. Like, look at that. That's a 1-coater. All right, so you can see where I did half and half on these guys. I think it may be a little bit harder to see. And I used Ugly Duckling's matte top coat. Not my favorite. It's not usually the one that I choose. I just can't find it. I'm sure it's in my drawer. I just literally cannot find it. But this is the glossy side. Obviously the bottom of these two have that matte, so it is a see-through. But overall, these are perfect colors for fall, and I'm really excited. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.